everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily delete your Hay Day account. If you want to delete your Hay Day account, then first of all, launch open the Hay Day app on your device. Once you do that, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded pop-up, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, go ahead and click on the Advanced Settings button, and under Advanced Settings, scroll all the way down until you see the Delete Account button. To delete your account, click the Delete Account button, and now you'll be taken to the Request Deletion of your personal data page. Here, click on Delete My Data if you're sure you'd like to delete your account. Remember that deleting your Hay Day account is permanent. You'll lose all the progresses, purchases, and data, and the action cannot be undone. Now go ahead and click on Delete My Data if you're sure you'd like to do so, and follow through the instructions. Select one of the region where you are trying to delete, and then go ahead and click on Do you want to delete this game button, and then click on I agree to delete my data, and click on Delete Account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to proceed with your deletion request. Your Supercell ID will not be removed as long as it is connected to any other Supercell games. The deletion process will take up to 30 days, and while this is in progress, you'll not be able to log into the game. So that way you have successfully deleted your Hay Day account permanently. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.